Can a landlord increase rent whenever he wants? Can a tenant stay in a property forever without consequences? Both are misconception. Under the Assam Tenancy Act 2021, both landlords and tenants have rights and responsibilities. Let's understand them. What are the rights of a tenant? The first one is right to a written tenancy agreement. Every tenancy should be governed by a written agreement specifying rent, security deposit, duration, rights and obligation of both parties. Second is right to receive a rent receipt. The landlord must acknowledge rent payments made by the tenant. Number 3. Protection against unlawful eviction. A landlord cannot simply remove a tenant by force. Eviction must be carried out in accordance with the law, with the legal procedure and the tenancy agreement. Number 4 is right to essential service. The landlord cannot arbitrarily cut off essential services such as water or electricity merely to force the tenant to vacate the premises. The 5th is right to refund of security deposit. After the tenant vacates and after lawful deduction, the security deposit must be returned as provided under the agreement and the law. And now let's see what are the rights of a landlord. The first one is right to receive rent. The tenant is obligated to pay rent within the agreed time. Second is right to recover possession. A landlord may seek eviction on legally recognized grounds such as non-payment of rent, violation of tenancy agreement, tenancy terms, expiry of the tenancy, other grounds recognized under the agreement and law. The third is right to security deposit. The landlord may collect a security deposit subject to the limits and conditions prescribed under such acts. The 5th is right to compensation for damage if the tenant damages the property beyond normal wear and tear and must pay compensation. Understand what is the Assam Tenancy Act 2021. The Assam Tenancy Act 2021 was enacted to regulate rental housings in Assam. Its objectives includes protecting tenants from arbitrary actions, protecting landlords from defaulting tenants, promoting transparent rental agreements, providing a speedy dispute resolution mechanism. Let's see what are the important features of this act. Written agreement is mandatory. The act encourages formal tenancy rather than informal oral arrangements. Rent authority. The act provides for a rent authority to handle tenancy related issues. Faster dispute resolutions. The law aims to reduce lengthy landlord-tenant litigations. Always read the agreement before signing. Keep rent payment records. Obtain written receipts. Document the condition of the property. Now, practical advices for landlords. Use a written tenancy agreement. Clearly specify rent, duration and security deposit. Maintain records of payments and notices. Follow legal procedure before seeking eviction. The Assam Tenancy Act 2021 is designed to balance the interests of both the landlords and the tenants. A tenant receives protection against unlawful eviction. A landlord receives protection against non-payment of rent and breach of tenancy terms. There is one more important right of a tenant. A landlord without notice cannot enter the tenanted premises for inspection. Before entering for inspection of the tenanted premises, the landlord must give a written notice beforehand to the tenant. The key message is simple. A clear written agreement today can prevent a legal dispute tomorrow. Thank you.